Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, MAISON MAGDALENA. Just before I start, I just want to remind you not to forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumb up if you like this video and turn on your notifications so you will receive one every time I post new content on my channel. As usual, it's really important to start moisturizing your skin before applying any makeup, and today I will be using the MAC Charged Water Face and Body Lotion. For more hydration, because I have a very dry skin, I'm using the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist, and I just have to let it dry for a few seconds. Now it's time for me to wear my ugly pink dishwasher gloves, because you guys already know that I can't do my makeup without them. And the first product I'm going to use in this video is the Master Conceal by Studio Face from Maybelline, and I'm going to apply it with my foundation brush from Lise Watier. This concealer is a little too light for me, but I'm using it as a color concealer to hide all the imperfections on my face. So the color doesn't really matter at this point because I'm going to cover it with foundation later on. Plus, you probably noticed that I'm a full coverage type of girl. So for me, the more layers, the better the glam. Another thing that I like to do with my concealer is to let it dry for a few minutes. The reason why I'm doing this is because it really optimizes the coverage on the specific areas where you apply the concealer. And I want to say, especially for people like me who are freaking the F out with their dark under eyes, this technique literally upgraded my makeup glam, like big time. The brush I'm using right now is the concealer brush from BH Cosmetics, which is actually one of my favorite brush ever. For my face, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the color beige. And I'm going to apply it with my foundation brush number 109 from BH Cosmetics. And please guys, do not forget about your neck because it has to be the same color than the rest of your face. Especially if you are planning on wearing a tank top or a pretty décolleté or a neckline dress. So please don't forget about your neck. Then I'm going to use my makeup sponge to tap all over my face to make sure I apply the foundation properly. This concealer is the Pro Conceal High Definition from L.A Girls in the nude color. The reason why I use the peachy tone is to cut the darkness under my eyes. This concealer is exactly the same one, but in the shade Natural. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Lise Watier translucent powder using a smaller beauty sponge. This next product is the Creamy Contour Kit by Slick Makeup. I love this palette because the texture is very soft and easy to blend. So I'm currently using the medium brown to contour my forehead, my cheeks, and my nose. Now I'm about to use the darkest brown to contour my chin. As you can see, I just switched my makeup sponge for a smaller one to contour my nose. I like to use my foundation brush to blend again around my jawline to make sure there's no visible demarcation. Now that we're done with the creamy part, we're going to use the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, which is actually a powdery palette. The first color I'm going to use is this beautiful warm brown, which is actually my favorite color of this palette. The next color I'm going to use is this neutral brown to contour my forehead. To contour my chin, I'm going to use the darkest brown of the palette. For the next step, I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color B24 Medium Golden, and I will be using the Pro Contour Kabuki brush number 82 from Sephora. I'm just gonna go back to my NYX contour palette to apply the yellow powder under my eyes. Then I'm going to switch to the lightest shade to illuminate the center of my nose and the top of my cheekbones. This next step is optional, but I always do it in my makeup routine. I like to use a triangle sponge to apply setting powder on my jaw to really define my cheekbones. This product is the NYX Wonder Pencil in the color Light. Now I'm going to use this gorgeous glittery Sephora eyeshadow number 220 Lucky Penny to highlight the bottom of my brows. Now it's time to highlight that face, and it's actually my favorite part of my makeup routine. So today I'm going to be using my NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in the shade Synthetica with my Lise Watier highlighting brush. This is actually not the most pigmented highlighter I've ever tried, but I really love the color and I definitely recommend you guys to use it for a day look. This product is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'd like to mention that most of the brushes I'm using in this video are from BH Cosmetics. I truly love them because they are good quality and very affordable. Now I'm gonna apply my LA Girl concealer on my lid as an eyeshadow primer. This next product is the Natural Eyes palette from BH Cosmetics as well. Now I'm gonna switch brushes for a slimmer one to apply the same brown under my lash line. And now it's mascara time! And I will be using my L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Red Carpet Black. I truly love the fact that this is a 2-in-1 mascara. And to be truly honest with you guys, since the very first time I started using this mascara, I never felt the need to try another one. Like, never. This product is the White Curl Liner Pencil from Rimmel that I'm going to apply on my waterline. And to complete this look, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Lipstick in the color 29 Sable. So this concludes this very natural Kim Kardashian glam. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumb up, and share some love in the comments down below.